PRG mới có lật bật của
Phi hành trình bắc của sở.
You nervous?
No. You?
A little bit. Just enough to keep me focused, you know?
That's good.
Yeah. You know, I've been thinking about your situation with your wife. I might have a solution for you.
Okay.
You should write her a letter.
What?
Look, I don't mean to interfere, but I had a similar situation with Linda, so I decided to write her a letter. And it worked. I laid it all out, and she gave me a second chance. You know? I'm just saying that writing a letter really helped. You know? I mean, of course, it's up to you. I mean, I'm just saying that it worked for me, but it doesn't have to, you know. Anyways, look, I'm just saying it was a good thing. That's all. You feel me?
Yeah, well, I'm not really the writing type.
Yeah. I mean, it was just an idea. It's just... Anyway, congrats on the baby. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We're approaching the drop point. You guys ready to jump?
Yeah!
Vì chúng em xin trước à.
Okay, remember, spread your arms and legs to fall slow and maneuver yourself. And don't forget to pull the chute in time.
Which one do I pull? This one?
Yeah, that one. Like this.
I'm gonna regret this.
Làm mình
Những người đồng.
All right, 1, 2, come on, go! What the hell?
suy nghĩ của sự bị
Vân đòi dầu nặng tôi.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Vân người bọc tôi tầm mà sơ rồi.
Vincent! Vincent! Fuck this! Oh, shit!
I get the wheel. I'm coming.
My parachute! Help! Ah! Vincent! Motherfucker!
Leo, grab onto me.
Help me! Over here! Help me! Oh! Vincent! God damn it!
Relax,
I'm
Leo.
dying!
I'm trying to help you here.
Tí nữa mà dầu nặng tôi.
How come you're so afraid of heights? Are you shitting me? Are you seriously gonna ask me that now?
Why not? Timing's perfect. Just face your fears, Leo.
You're crazy!
So you're gonna tell me, or should I just let you go?
That's not funny, okay?
I think it is. So,
What?
are you gonna tell me or not?
Okay, I fell down when I was young. Happy?
I wanna know more. Fell down for what?
Come on, man!
Fell down for what?
I fell down from a fucking tree and broke my arm! Stop asking questions!
That's it? You broke your arm?
What do you mean, that's it? I was 8 years old!
Did you cry?
Okay, I've had enough. I'm letting go if you keep asking those stupid questions.
Be my guest. Just keep in mind that you'll break a lot more than an arm.
I hate you, man!
No, you don't.
một phiếu nắp bọc
You got me?
Yeah, I got you, Leo.
Don't fucking drop me!
Just hold on to me, okay?
I'm in it, don't drop me!
I won't.
That was the last time I listened to your fucking ideas.
Take it easy. You're still alive, aren't you?
I'm just saying, I almost died.
No, you didn't. Let's get going.
Shit.
Có ta đất vốn.
You think Harvey still got the diamond?
I do.
What makes you so sure about that?
I don't know, a gut feeling, I guess. And it's not like it's easy to sell something like the Black Arlong.
I still don't get how the hell you pull that off.
Well, I'm actually good at what I do. Come on,
find cover.
Cabrón, está pendejo esta cosa. Oye, ¿quieres un poco?
No, esa cosa me...
There. You see, 2 of them. Yeah. Stay low. Let's flank them. All right.
Estoy alerto con esto, güey. Mames, incluso dormido estoy alerto. Esto me ayuda con eso.
Ah.
Ay, güey. Sí,
Socorro,
sí,
socorro.
tómale, ándale, no seas pendejo. Tómale.
Watch out! More of those assholes are coming.
I think that's all of them.
Ayun şuna. Ha. 건강녹봉, 주력봉.
건너 있잖아.
또 오늘 주목.
Get over here and help me. Sniper!
Just stay low. That way.
카노 갖고 있어. 도배요?
야,
마리간.
Go through there. Oh shit! Vincent, get over here.
땡데레떼땡. Wow, mà thực còn đang cái đó của ra chứ không? À, shit. Là bao tiêu chứ rồi. Shit. Để kích à.
어,
À, cho mà thực con nữa.
Nice.
Cover me.
The sniper rifle. I'll stay up here and keep you covered. Go, Vincent!
박사가 쓰고. No. 수리?
예.
뭐구나.
잠깐, 지금은 좀 그,
Crap. More of them.
슈, 됐어. 뭐구나. 수리?
More of them?
에이.
Damn, cover me.
어이. 그냥 꽂히죠. 어이, 누나. 약당 나갔어, 어떡하미. 심리적 악바.
Looks like that was all of them.
원덕서 어떡.
그래, 지금 내가 남,
와, 무슨 뒷광량.
Come on, Leo. Help me lift this.
에이,
Looks like we're not using this bridge.
겁났다며. 아,
What of you, huh? Too bad I'm not on vacation.
Wow. I didn't know Mexico was this beautiful.
Vincent, help me out. Wait.
Nice. Wala. Takpan siya ngas.
Hey, ¿qué fue eso?
Dim.
More of them coming.
아, 이런 거 있나? 아,
Shoo.
오,
Ah, aïe.
¡Hey! ¡Tras ellos!
도망가 뭐.
뭐,
줄이.
오, 어이,
Over here, Vincent. Gate is open. Let's go.
¡No los pinches chingados!
니,
예.
Damn, they're closing the gate.
뒤 아빠.
¡Desgraciado!
또 부사. Em xin kia bị tộc cái giặc đà đâu mới tộc hôn nền. Sao mày con năng năm mà nó cắt cơ đó kìa. Biết gì nhỉ?
Hey, Leo, help me with this.
네.
All right. That actually worked.
Brute force. Always a winner.
Sao mũ 나가야 건. Ngon rồi đó. Dark Souls xin đầu. Quá sợ con nó một Dark Souls. Cả cho xe con.
They have a lock here, and I have a gun. Oh shit! Get down!
Piece of shit! You're a dead man! ¡Ahí está listo! ¡Sí, jefe, apúrate! ¡Vamos! ¡Está listo! ¡Vamos, vamos!
Go! I'll cover you.
야.
Shoot him through that door.
오케이. 오케이. 네네네네네.
아우,
Những tối ở chỉ xí đó. Sakon na siya takamanit.
Leo, you ready? Okay!
Sure.
여기까지 왔다.
Ah.
아, 씨.
Hmm.
Hey, I need a hand over.
Đi ra.
Leo, get down! I'm on it!
Aku nenakin na rin.
Ding 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 ding. Tokko 신나? 됐어. 이. 날 신나.
Come and help me.
Dive in the pool now. Makes perfect sense. Ready? Let's go.
You think you can just come into my fucking house? Think it's that easy to take me out? Motherfuckers! We gotta get closer, come on! Leo, get down!
카나 런처를.
Grenade! I'm gonna kill!
나. 아. 아무래도 용어시 떡시우 쪽한.
Take this! Leo, watch out!
Đặt tới là phải mặc sang rửa anh em.
시작건 야인.
Kanutasan sa kotak pati ni massage.
나.
Uy.
Don't even think about it.
Slide it over.
All right. Here you go.
카나 또 거기다 시작해야 돼.
Shut the fuck up. One more word from you and I'll put a bullet in your face.
Wait. Leo. I still got it. That's what you're here for, right? The diamond. It's all yours. It's in the safe. Over there. You can take it.
Come on. Get up. Go.
Here. Here, take it.
Let him go, Harvey!
Put the fucking gun down! Put it down now!
야,
환우 독거쇼.
There's no way out of this!
Fuck you! You think you can come into my house? I will shoot him. Last
give up.
warning.
맞지, 뭐.
시야 곧번.
You don't have the balls, man.
Leo! Oh, shit! Let him go, Harvey!
Put the fucking gun down.
왕을 약사신다 그래. 시키시를 약사신다.
아,
I will shoot.
맞다.
샷건님이
약간부터 거삭지 맞다.
쇼. 한기락션이 샷건님이 썩고 샷.
Shit! More men are coming, we gotta go, come on! Dan! Leo, get on the bike!
모두 따가 모두 따따리고 다 나오사로.
Here they come! Shit! Just keep going! We gotta find Emily! Should be this way! Focus on the driving, Vincent! They're shooting at us!
예!
Shit! They've got a machine gun on the back of that Jeep!
뭐.
We should be okay as long as we keep our distance from it!
함수
Oh shit!
닦고.
This is gonna be tight! I'm flying! Go faster, Vincent! Come on! Watch out, Leo! They're gonna run you over!
나 허리 아프다 죽겠다 말이야.
Don't get that! Come close!
또 보고. 저기 멋지다. 이거 김냥. 딱 되었다.
Get off the road!
아까 또 왔다. 또 보냐 보스턴.
어, 엄마. 나 쌈먹.
너랑 또 쓰지 똑딱.
냥.
예,
쌈먹.
Behind you, Vincent! Watch out!
왜 뻑? 엄마 뻑.
오이. 그래.
위, 슬로우 모션. 이때 시작이신.
오.
고치샤 보여. 살짝 온다는 거 고치샤 대공이 또가 있다. 한번. 아. Shivo knocked in the thing.
Hey, I think they stopped shooting at us. I have a bad feeling about this, Leo.
โอ้
Wow!
Grenades! Watch out! What the hell?
Oh.
We gotta get out of here!
no ตักไปก่อน
ก็ยังกัน
อ่ะผมบอกว่าขอบคุณดอกเลือกนะ
อ้วกกันเด้อ
Oh, oh,
โอ้
shit!
โอ้
Oh, oh.
ตัวคนเดียวป่วยนะ
¡Mierda, qué explosión! ¿Qué crees? I have to go back for Leo. Leo, I'm coming!
เจนจะกันโดนตกส
เอา
ม
พ่อ
องต
มี
ก
ครับ
Get on the boat! Go, go, go!
ก็ชกคนเหรอ
No, let's keep them off our backs!
น่ามีคนชนตกตรงเนี้ยครับ
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about! There's the plane! Leo, destroy the goddamn car! Jeez, how many trucks do they have?
โอ้
Let me close to the plane! I'll jump in!
จะกดมาดี
Let's go, go!
Shit! That was close. You okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, Emily! Great flying!
You guys are crazy! Vincent, you're gonna have to pay me triple for this.
You got it. Vincent, you're not gonna hear me say this often, but thanks. You too, Leo.
You know what? I think I'm gonna write that letter to Carol.
That's a great idea. Hey, Emily, you have a pen and paper?
Wait, now?
Why not? It's a long way home. You got anything better to do?
Not really.
All right, then.
How are we doing?
We should be landing in 10 minutes.
Okay.
What's Leo up to?
Sleeping?
About time to wake him up then.
Yeah.
Are you okay, Vincent?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm fine. Leo.
What? Yeah. We there yet?
Yeah.
Everybody stand down! Here you go. Good job, Vincent.
I'm sorry, Leo.
No, no.
It's all there. Count it. Looks about right. Yeah, of course it is. You can always trust me. I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Just saying, I'm a trustable guy. Yeah, I'm sure you are. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
All right, he's got it.
Finally.
What the fuck are you doing?
Shit! Shots fired! Shots fired! Go! Go! Go!
Secure the area! Move in!
No! 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 Gary! Gary!
We're here!
Officer down! Somebody get a damn ambulance! Gary! Stay with me. Please! I'm sorry, please! Somebody call an ambulance now!
Hey, listen, Leo. You're in big trouble, you understand? Where's Harvey? Where's the Black Orlov? What are you, deaf? Well, you think you're funny, don't you? What, you think you can just go and sell it on a street corner? What are you, stupid? Are you that stupid? It's all gonna rain down on you hard. You got it? You're gonna have to talk at some point. You understand?
He's not gonna say a word.
Yeah, I know.
There's only one option now.
I'll get someone on it.
James, if you want Harvey and the Black Orlov, this is the only way. Just put me in a cell next to him.
You're too close to this, Vincent. You better sit this one out.
Gary was my brother. My flesh and blood. And he's dead because of me. I put him in that situation. I need to do this, and you know it. Just make it happen, James. You're under arrest, Leo. It's over.
Nobody move! I'll fucking kill him!
Only making it worse for yourself.
그래서
Get out of my way!
여기
Don't make me shoot
있던가.
him! Move and I'll shoot! Back off! Get out of my way!
이만 싸운다 역도
Stay
하다
away! You
싶어요.
don't have to do this.
Can't win this. Look
Sit
around
down!
you.
Get in the fucking car! Go! I fucking trusted you, Vincent! Leo, you need to calm down. Calm down? Are you serious? Look, I know you're angry. Angry? You haven't seen me angry yet, you backstabbing pig! Please, just calm down. Shut up! Just shut the fuck up!
Kapos na bitakan ako.
Stop the car and let's talk this through. There's still a chance for you to do the right thing. The right thing, huh? The only right thing here is me pointing the gun right out of your face. So shut up! I'm
Paruwa
really
sa akin.
sorry for everything. Please stop the car. Sorry? You're sorry, huh? I can't believe you, you fucking rat.
어렵지?
Damn it! Come on! Work, you polychunk! I can't let you get away! You're a dead man, Vincent!
Vincent! Over here! Come on! Hurry up! He's getting away! Come on! Come on!
Right, Esther! Go, go, go!
Mẹ cha tay mẹ trong nhà cái này gì?
Aim for the engine! We need him alive!
어쩌?
Gotta go faster! Vincent, you crazy bastard!
No. Oh. No.
Piece of shit engine!
Non lo so, no? Oddio.
Shit! Shit! Ugh. There! Down on the right! See him running! Set us down over there!
Okay!
All right! Come on, hurry! I'll go this way.
All right.
Get out of here! Go!
Don't do anything stupid, Leo.
Shut up! Just go! I don't want to hurt you, Emily. Just get out.
You know I can't do that.
Don't fucking push it. This is between me and Vincent. Now get the hell out. Get out. Go. Leo! Please stop this. How does it feel to stab someone in the back? I know you're disappointed, but Harvey killed my brother. I had no choice. I can't fucking believe this! I'll talk to the captain. We'll reduce your sentence. My sentence? You're a dead man, you piece of shit! What about your son, Alex? Shut the fuck up! Don't you mention his name! You don't get to mention his name! You hear that, you piece of shit? You're a dead man! You piece of shit!
조심해 말이자. 아. 한 번씩 밀자고. 아. 어이. Konomi nuli래 이상한 딱. 좀 높이? Kamu dari sini jauh. Kemenakan yang nang lek.
Nice.
Throw your gun! Fucking do it!
All right.
Now!
Easy. See? It's down.
Push it away!
Leo, don't do this.
Shut up! On your knees! I said on your knees! How do you feel about this now?
Kaftu sebelum dah ah This is you. Rita! Tengo tu gerak. Shoot.
Ah, que loco, sí, eso no para.
Hey.
Hi.
Can I come in?
Sure.
Hi.
Hey, Alex.
Where's Leo?
Linda, we need to talk.
Alex, why don't you go out and play some ball?
Okay. You wanna play?
Not right now, baby. We need to talk.
All right.
It's about Leo.
What about him?
Last year, he went viral for getting the highest ranking Fortnite on range line league and reinforces the entire game. In fact, he has hit Unreal every single season. But this season is different. He's never just been camping. He comes up with smart strategies to take advantage of the ranked system. Or to avoid other players and consistently place high. Even with Fortnite with directly nerf his techniques, he would just grind it out and sometimes stream up to 10 hours a day, until getting Unreal anyways and showing epic results. But this season, it made a huge change to ranked. Now, they get full percentage of players who place high, and eliminations are not as important. This is a direct bump. And finally, his training weight.
Hey, Carol.
Power can be unleashed because he is already climbed up to be a top 1,000 Unreal player this season. The question is, will he hit rank 1?
What's this?
Just bumped.
It's my resignation from the Bureau. It's over, Carol. I'm out. Please, just give me one more chance.
I named her Julie.
It's a beautiful name.
Yeah.
And she's got your eyes, too. I'm sorry.
I know you are. You want to come in?
I'd love to.
Sao si Vittorio sa sangye po film ba?
Sure.
Konnichi din nochi iki. Kijamre.
Omtimanga cherche
Da kommer danse vi kan nå.
Så fyrtid. Og når den har 60 minutter. Minutten 53 sekunder.
Kan mere kilungassana ta. Da kommer danse den basi vi kan nå ras. Skipoksin dawa so.